So you just took part to the panel here at the fourth TWIST event, and please do a little elevator pitch about yourself so everybody can know you a little better.
Hi, I'm Dario Galbiati. I'm one of the venture partners at Atlantic Labs. We are a VC, Berlin-based VC. What we do is seed and pre-seed investments, more and more doing company building in the tech digital field. So we have mobile health and fintech and platforms, e-commerce. It's really like it's broad. We don't focus on a specific vertical, we're Berlin-based.
Okay. Thank you. What do you think is something that the Berlin startup ecosystem can bring and teach maybe to the Italian startup ecosystem?
I think what the Berlin ecosystem has to teach to the Italian one, it's to think really like globally and being very international. A lot of founders, they have in Berlin, they have companies that are based in Berlin, but they travel or they have other like offices all over the world. They're connected to different ecosystems, whether investors, whether partnerships or whatsoever, really globally. And that's something that I think that it's one of the major points they could teach to the Italian ecosystem, to really just go outside and build a global network.
Okay, and since this is also one of the points we stressed during the panel, what do you think it's something that might improve the relationship between startups and corporates?
I mean, corporates, there are different ways that they can get involved in the startup ecosystem and innovation. Also, on an opportunistic point of view, they can use the startup ecosystem as a sort of hub to see and hire people, to see the future trends and hire people from there. They can even like build the acceleration program. A lot of them did it. I personally believe it's much better if they try to build commercial relationship with players in the system, either as LPs in investment vehicles or investing directly in a portfolio of companies of institutional investors, so that they can have actually opportunistically like a way to see how the future works, the future of models, of trends, the future of work, how people will work, and also a pool to access talent.
Thank you. And one last question. If you could talk to all the Italian startup CEOs at once, what would you tell them to do to make themselves more attractive to European funds and investments?
As I mentioned before, I think the main thing, I mean, especially in startup, is really people's business. So the main message is to really just go outside of Italy, like in different ecosystem, not necessarily just Berlin, can be whatever tech ecosystem if tech is a focus, and build a global network of partners, investors, future employees, and really just hire the benchmark on a global level and just go out and build a global network. This is really the key thing.
Well, thank you. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Thanks.